Now let's look at the process of creating a PDF from within a Microsoft Office application. The first way is to go to File, Print, and then select Power PDF as the printer. Now select the file name to save it to. And a few seconds later we'll have a PDF. So another way we can create a PDF from within Microsoft Office applications is to click on the Kofax PDF shortcut and then Create PDF. Once again, we'll be presented with a Save dialog. We can create a file name and save it. And there you go. It's just that easy.